Lightning from evening storm struck 2 homes in Raleigh and started fires. The first call came in just before 5 on Berkshire Drive. Firefighters say neighbors saw lightning strike the roof. They were able to alert the woman inside. She was asleep at the time. Firefighters managed to get the fire under control in just 12 minutes.
Thing is, during the thunderstorm, if you happen to smell or see any smoke, call the fire department right away. Call 911 right away.
Firefighters were called to the second home on Tarbell Court about 40 minutes later. Damage was visible on the roof of the garage. You see it right there. Fire officials here say 3 people were inside at the time. They did manage to get out safely.